Congratulations, dear. You have achieved a new height of success, and our Sunshine family and our Sunshine Spray Fire School is really proud of you. So here, a brief interview with you. So what's your name? I'm very popular and the name now is Gio. What's your full name now?
Ma'am, Jay.
Only Gio. Acha, what is your scoring?
I have scored 93.6% overall.
Subject-wise in commerce?
In accounts, I have scored 99 out of 100, and in economics, I have scored 95 out of 100, and in business studies, I have scored 87 out of 100.
How are you feeling about this after achieving a new heights of success?
I am feeling I'm very happy and grateful that I have achieved this and in my life. All the teachers are so important in my life.
In the commerce faculty, in the Sunshine, the Sunshine Prep High School is known for their commerce faculty. The senior secondary school are in the name and fame in our Muzaffarpur as well as in Bihar. How do you rate all the experienced faculty members of your commerce department?
Ma'am, the rating I will give is 10 out of 10. Overall, I will give it 10 out of 10. The faculties of Sunshine Prep High School in commerce section are so good. Rakesh Sharma sir and all their team members are so good. Accounts, they have made me a well-mannered person in overall behavior, and they really supported a lot and encouraged a lot.
You know that the research has said that there is a close bonded relationship between the school environment and the academic excellency. How do you rate the Sunshine Senior Secondary institutions with your academic excellency?
The bond between the teachers and the students are so good and the environment also is so warm and good here that we feel so comfortable with our teachers, and also they always motivate you. The biggest thing is that they always motivate you and have faith in you that you will be able to do this.
Acha, how the commerce faculty, they have a very close connections with the job market. What type of activities you have done in the commerce faculty that have helped you to achieve this academic excellency? Because I think the theory and practice in commerce is very important. How the teachers they have helped you in bridging the gap between the theory and practice in the commerce department?
Yes, ma'am. The accounts subject involves a lot of practice, and also business studies also involves a lot of theory portion. There are so many case studies in the business studies subject, so the teachers help a lot in understanding the case studies and behave accordingly.
How do they develop love for learning in the classroom?
They always develop love for learning, whether it is about all the subjects or case study or whatever. They always encouraged you and supported you that you will do all the things and always do the homework first, then you will be sorted and everything will be good.
Now, the most important point is that as a commerce department of Sunshine Prep High School, it is very renowned in the town and the students are being benefited. How do you rank yourself in the job market today after scoring this much 99% marks in the 10 plus 2?
In today's world, commerce is very important. Wherever there is business, the commerce is required there. So you should take commerce, and the faculty here is so good that they will make you love with this subject.
How they have helped you to connect with the job market?
With the job market in today's generation, as we know, wherever the demand for CA is like uplifting. So I also want to do CA. So
how they have helped you in setting your goal process?
Instead, they made the base so clear. The most important thing is that base should be clear about every subject. So they have really helped me a lot.
Tell me some of the inspirational quote for my forthcoming examination that is coming up on the 12th. How do you give some inspiration, motivation for them?
They should just trust their teachers and trust the process. Everything will be good. The teachers here are so well behaved and well mannered. They can help you in so many things. Whether that is grooming your personality, they help a lot in grooming your personality.
Do you think that in the Sunshine Prep Senior Secondary the school academic environment and in the classroom management, the teachers are following the SMART process?
Yes, ma'am. There are also smart classes in the class that help you a lot in understanding the things and the key points. Teacher also explain the things accordingly.
Yes, really, it's a nice pleasure to to take your interview and to
Thank you
give
so
some
much,
inspirational school for my students. My wholehearted blessings to you from my school side, from myself, from the teacher sides, and from my
Thank you
master
so much.
sides. Thank you, Chair.